How do you get that first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Do you work for weeks on that perfect video? Do you post a couple videos every day, even if it's not the highest quality? Do you currently dance, do skits, hold up a sign asking for subs? Well, I'm here to tell you yes to all of those. Well, sort of. Let me tell you what I mean. You can make any form of content you'd like, but if you're not making shorts content along with it, you are missing out. Shorts videos can be made a lot faster than other forms of content. This will allow you to get out videos a lot quicker, reaching a larger audience. And remember, YouTube is prioritizing this content, so you should too. A single shorts video can reach anywhere from a couple people to a couple thousand people. And that all depends on the content, how well you made it, how well the video is received. A lot of factors go into it. So your YouTube short will be shown to a few people to start with. The more those people like that video, comment, like, watch the whole thing, subscribe, the better off it'll be for you. YouTube will then put that video out to even more people. It's a snowball effect. So first impressions do matter here. YouTube currently allows you to use 15 seconds of music for each of your shorts. For this reason, I would recommend, especially when starting out, to keep your videos around 15 seconds long. This will allow you to use music and allow you to reach a larger audience quicker. This 15-second time frame will also allow you to determine what works for you, what your audience likes, and what kind of content you enjoy making. If you are making long-form videos, which you should be, you can also take snippets from that video to create their own individual shorts. This will allow you to put shorts out, directing people to your long-form videos. All in all, increasing your subscribers and your reach. Also remember, if you haven't done so yet, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps me out. YouTube is really pushing the shorts content right now. You want to follow the same rules on your shorts videos that you do on your long form content. You want to put a description, you want to use tags, you use thumbnail. Some will argue that's the most important. Anything you can do to get your video a leg up on anybody else. Make sure you use a good description and tags that represent your video and allow people to search for it. Sure, you could post a video and throw a short up or two and maybe get lucky. But if you follow those general rules, you'll have a lot more success in the long run. It'll make it a lot easier for you, especially when you have no subscribers and you're trying to get your footing, try to learn your way around what you want your content to be.